Welcome to our night walking tour of Sydney. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the city's most iconic sights under the starry night sky. Our first stop is Sydney Observatory Hill, where you can enjoy sweeping panoramic views of Sydney Harbour and the Harbour Bridge. The view is even more spectacular at night. Next, we'll head to Darling Harbour, the harbourside precinct that comes to life in the evening. You'll find a hub of waterfront restaurants and casual bars, perfect for a relaxing evening stroll. From Darling Harbour, we'll make our way to Milsons Point. Here, you can take in sprawling views of Sydney Harbour, with fantastic angles of both the Harbour Bridge and Opera House. No visit to Sydney is complete without a stroll across the famous Harbour Bridge. We'll take you on a walk across the bridge, where you can enjoy some of the city's most impressive evening views. Our next stop is the Rocks, a historic area with cobblestone streets and sandstone buildings. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time as you meander through its laneways and listen to busking musicians. For the most picture-perfect sunset view, we'll take you to Mrs. Macquarie's Point. This location offers breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour and is a popular spot for photographers. King's Cross is our next destination. Once infamous for being home to Sydney's underworld, this area has been restored to its colonial glory days. Bright neon lights and vibrant nightlife make it an exciting place to explore. We'll end our tour in Chinatown, Sydney's lively Asian marketplace. Here, you'll find a wide range of dining options, from fine dining restaurants to hole-in-the-wall noodle bars and famous cream puffs. Thank you for joining us on this night walking tour of Sydney. We hope you enjoyed exploring the city's most iconic sights under the enchanting night sky.